Well, hello everyone. Welcome to AeginaCraft. This is it, the big day. Some snacks, some champagne cooling in the cooler box. I got some cakes. I got fancy cakes, cool cakes, strawberries, not strawberries, fucking cherries. I'm dehydrated, as you can hear. And yeah, wife is gonna come and she's gonna make some lemonade. We got a wish box here where people can write their wishes and throw it in there. We're gonna have raffle. So much fun today. I'm so scared. I'm not used to this kind of attention, and this is gonna be weird. But yeah, I'm gonna play it cool, you know, as always. And maybe I'm gonna check in later tonight. Anyway, my stomach is in a knot. I'm stressed the hell out. I just want to be over with. But yeah, probably friends gonna turn up. We're gonna have a nice chat. I'm gonna show them around. You know, no big deal. No big deal. I know all these people. They're my friends. It's not gonna be awkward, is it? Anyway, I'll see you guys a bit later. Hey everyone, this is the next day. We managed to have the party, and I would like to thank everyone who came by, turned up, and I would like to thank every single one of you who sent me positive thoughts, vibes, and messages. It was great. It was pretty humbling to see all of you come by and show me your support. I just want to thank you because I'm not used to being around a lot of people, and I really badly handle attention. But thank you. It was a very positive experience, despite all the stress and fears I had. But yeah, thank you. About the future of AeginaCraft. Now, I don't know what this place will be in the future, but right now, I think of it as an oasis of artists, a place where the voiceless can be heard. The artists who have no chance to show off their art or have no possibility to make themselves known. I want this to be a community place. I want this to be a place where artists can show off their art. So the plan is to have shelves available, like those, available on the wall to rent, where everybody can put out their own art, show off their skills. And next to every shelf, I would like to have a picture with a picture of the artists and a little biography and all the connected, like how to get in touch with the artist. That is my plan. I want this to be a place where small people like I am can have a voice and can put out their art, and they don't have to be the most famous and the fanciest and everything, because art is subjective and beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And yeah, so if you are an artist like that, or if you have an artist friend like that, let me know. Other than that, last night was a great success, as you can see in the videos and pictures I'm showing right now, I think. It was fun, and we had the raffle, and now I would like to cut to the raffle, and we finish over there. Hey gang, so I have 15% battery power left, and everybody is gone. I'm just quickly checking in before we do the raffles. That's my wife Sheila, she's counting the raffles. And then we're gonna do a Facebook video, something for the people who bought raffles. We had like 40-50 people here, so it was fun. I'm exhausted. Sheila made a lot of videos about the party, so I think I'm gonna splice the whole thing together and we'll see where it ends up. Yeah, probably gonna do another check-in when everything's settled tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning. Yeah, see you in a bit. Are we happy, Vincent? Yes, we are. Okay, cool. All right. Let's do this shit. All right. We got all the jack here, all the stuff here. Everybody is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Cool. Right, let's do the raffle pools. We're gonna raffle pool the first thing, the ocean wave coaster set. The waves of the ceremony. Thank you. And the winner is Selena.
Shut up. Oh, wow.
Is that you or not you?
Something I never did stuff.
Now you did. I'm not fucking cheating, alright? This is it.
Isn't fixed, is it? I swear. I never did stuff.
Just to be sure. Okay.
This is for my sister.
Alright, next up, we got 46. Hannah and Jesse.
Oh, Karina and Jesse.
Karina, thank you.
Karina and Jesse.
Karina and Jesse, you got this
Congratulations.
river
guys.
coasters. If you see this video, come by. If you don't see this video, well, we're gonna contact you on Facebook.
Okay.
Lovely. Next up,
You
one.
know what, Bernadine? I don't even know what.
Come on,
Yeah, that's a good
come
one.
on.
Number 4, 23.
Pass it to me. David, it's 9.
Number 9. You said number 9. That's my number.
Yeah.
What the hell? This time.
Well, David, you love Miss Scotsman. We beat you in football. For that, you're gonna get a coaster set. Yay! That's for you. I will hit you up, not you. Not up, not beat you down. Anyway, you got the ending. Let me get another one. A soap holder, a soap dish. Someone told me it looks like a vagina. Do you think it is? Does it? Does it? No, of course not.
It's like one of those hits that the biker girls get to be next to the...
All right, hi everyone. I have 2 minutes, so I have to be quick. The winners of the prizes are the following. Because my phone died when I was recording, as you can see. So, I don't know how much I have left. The river coasters was won by Karina and Jesse. Yay. I don't know if you got it from the previous video, but the turtle coaster set was won by a person named David with number 9. So, David, you won something.
I know that person.
You know that person. That's funny. Okay.
Me.
Was won by Dino, of all people. One day I'm gonna turn every furniture in your house built by me. The soap dish, which looks like a vagina, according to some people, it's gonna go to Malcolm and Julia. Well, thank you very much for participating. You won a soap dish.
And I won.
And
We won something.
Selena won that thing.
That thing.
Coaster set.
Coasters.
And the main prize was pulled by Sheila. And it is Sandy. And it doesn't focus. Anyway, Sandy, please hit me up and we're gonna make you a special, unique, custom serving tray. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Sandy.
Bye!